We share
theoretical and empirical reviews.
It is all about learning research facts and sharing with others. Title of the published paper:
Assessing the accuracy of online GNSS processing services and commercial software.
Details of the published paper:
South African Journal of Geomatics, Volume 9, Issue 2, page 321 to 332, published in the year 2020.
Let us start with the preamble.
At the end of the 20th century, global navigation satellite systems became a generic term for all satellite-based global navigation systems, ushering in a new and exciting era in positioning, navigation, and timing. Choi, 2009, ICI and others, 2018. GNSS, which include the GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BeiDou, provide the foundation for modern positioning applications such as agriculture, mapping, public safety, military, and surveying. NGS, 2017. Hoffman Willenhoff and others, 2008. Tata, 2017. Some of the applications like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BeiDou necessitate precise geodetic observations, which are impossible to achieve with raw measurements. What about error or errors? It is no longer new that the error sources from the satellite system, receiver system, and signal path can be removed. In fact, the most efficient correction process of the error sources from the satellite system, receiver system, and signal path is divided into real-time correction and post-processing correction. Terrick and others, 2017. But, do you know that to generate the position of a point, real-time based techniques such as differential GPS, DGPS, real-time kinematic, RTK, and the wide area augmentation system use satellite receiver inter-system communication? With the rapid establishment of free online processing services to provide users with reliable solutions, it is important to determine the reliability of using free online processing software for the global navigation satellite system post-processing.
Next is to present the theoretical review of the published report by Tata and others, 2020.
In order to provide users with reliable solutions, it is important to determine the reliability of using free online processing software for the global navigation satellite system post-processing. This led Tata and others, 2020, to assess the accuracy of two free online processing software, that is Auspice and CSRS-PPP, and two commercial softwares, that is Compass Post-Processing and GNSS Solutions. Field observations were carried out on 7 control points using static GNSS observation techniques with an observation period of 1 hour for 3 consecutive days and conventional surveying using total station instruments to establish a closed traverse. The acquired data were post-processed using both online and commercial software. The coordinates generated from each software were then compared with the ones obtained using total station instruments to determine their relative discrepancies and accuracies. Root mean square error and t-test were used for the analysis of the result.
Lastly, we shall now present a few of the major results.
Based on the observed results analyzed by Tata et al. 2021, it is worth concluding that
there is no significant difference between the coordinates generated from commercial software and online software on short baseline observation processing. At a 5% level of significance, analysis shows no significant difference between the two methods. Online GNSS processing services are easy to use, do not require the knowledge of GNSS data processing, and can be adopted for engineering and geodetic applications. The results of data processing through online software depend on some factors. More so, users of these services should expect better results when the time of observation is longer with a dual frequency GNSS receiver, which will allow ambiguity resolution, thereby increasing the accuracy.
References.
Acknowledgements.
Special thanks to all the editors and reviewers of South African Journal of Geomatics. We share tour appreciates the contribution of the authors to the body of knowledge. We share
Theoretical and empirical reviews.
It is all about learning research facts and sharing with others.